Have you ever wondered how large-scale foods are prepared? With the technology we have right now, it is no longer difficult to make everything in seconds using machines. The same is true when it comes to food processing. So in today's video, let's take a look at these fantastic food industry machines that make businesses' lives easier and food production quicker. Please do like and subscribe, and let's get started. The first machine on our list is the Marrell multi-angle slicer. Thanks to this equipment, sliced meat production has never been easier than it is today. With a cutting angle ranging from 10 degrees to 68 degrees, it can make an incredible 250 cuts per minute. It also features profiling fillet measurements at the infeed, optimizing its slicing program and knife movement. The machine can automatically spread out the slices as a new function, making handling and packing easier. Don't we all want clean-cut deli meats? We'll get exactly what we want with this next machine, the Textor TS500 circular blade slicer machine. This slicer revolutionizes slicing technology with an astounding maximum revolution of 750 RPM. Its circular blade technology, which features optional idle cutting, has combined high product processing capacity with quick reloading times, enabling fast and safe slicing while retaining high output performance. Pasta cravings make you boil, especially when you are hungry. But with Sirman, pasta making will be effortlessly fast and easy. Their machine facilitates and speeds up pasta dough mixing, cutting, and extrusion. With this, making and producing your spaghetti, linguine, bigoli, penne, tortelloni, and various other kinds of pasta possible. Would you like to branch out from the Willy Wonka chocolate factory? If so, getting started with the Chocolate World chocolate machines is the best way to go. Having a chocolate factory in a box will be possible if you use their machine. Connect the chocolate tube to the machine, add your pieces or cookies, and voila! You'll be able to enjoy your chocolatiest delectables right away. This Bakon round and square cake line machine on our list will take your pastry business to new heights. This machine will frost the top layer of a cake or sandwich the cake with frosting between layers and ensure a clean top and side covering. Their cake line machines can achieve a high level of accuracy while producing beautiful, clean finished cakes at a high rate. Another industry food machine is the Polin probake bakery equipment. Probake equipment can help you get your baking business off to a good start. They have a wide range of bakery machines that can do precise bread slicing, dough sheeting, molding, and even clean product packaging. The next high-quality machine for bread and pastries is the Rondo machines. With their machines, producing a vast range of pastry products such as pizzas, thin dough products, bread rolls, and other types of bread of top quality is not impossible. Rondo can handle any type of baked products you wish to manufacture on a large scale, courtesy to their expensive expertise and experience in dough and technology. Another essential piece of bakery equipment in our list is the Argental bread machines. Their machines are designed to automatically cut, form, and shape bread with a continuously adjustable calibrator that ensures accurate measurements, critical for product quality. Coming up next is the Sermont bread dividers, rounders, and finishers. Thanks to their simple machine rotation feature, producing delicious, beautiful, and delightful pastries all at once has been achievable. The last rundown of incredible machines is the Selmisrl machine for processing chocolate, coffee, and nuts. By equipping your pastry shop with Selmi machines, you will be able to produce refined paste hazelnuts, pistachios, almonds, and other nut spreadable creams. To discover more of these amazing machines and inventions, subscribe and click the notification bell to be notified when we have new videos for you. Please share your thoughts on these food industry machines in the comments section below, and see you next time!